Alright, so this is going to be a courtesy camera to evaluate if sewer line is cleared or possibly still backing up. Zane was out here Saturday, December 11th for an extended period of time for a cord blockage with lots of toilet paper and hygiene products is what he said. So I'm going to drop the camera in through the same mainline clean-out access point that Zane had used on Saturday to evaluate whether or not the main line is draining. Address here is going to be 4917 East Lake Avenue, Centennial, Colorado, 80121. Don't have the work order number on this one. Alright, so cast to what looks to be SDR Schedule 40 exterior at about 39 feet. Definitely tell that this line had a decent sized core in it by the amount of waste material stuck to the top of the pipe. Alright, so I currently have a basement bathroom shower, basement bathroom sink, and laundry wash tub sink all flowing with cold water. Prior to dropping camera in, I had the shower running as well as the two sinks and repeated flushes on the toilet, as well as 2 5-gallon buckets down each of the 2 floor drains in the mechanical room. Opted to bring in the little can, and it didn't quite make it to the city main, but from what I can see here, we have great water flow. No signs of current backup. It does look like this had a pretty decent mass of waste built up in it. Would even recommend maybe possibly hydrojetting this line just for future maintenance. Alright, so that will complete our mini feature presentation on this sewer main. Once again, we were out at 4917 East Lake Avenue, Centennial, Colorado, 80121. Camera that was provided was done as a courtesy for follow-up service performed on Saturday, December 11th. Zane was out for an extended number of hours trying to clear a cord blockage in the sewer main. At this point in time, I would say that this sewer line is open and functioning. However, I would recommend possibly a hydro-dredder scenario to clean buildup and remaining solids waste through the main line from this cleanout. Everything's flushing and flowing. I cleared both floor drains. Everything's good there. Alright, that is the end of this movie.